Alright, good morning. Last Sunday of April 2024, before 7 a.m. we are here in Las Piñas, Daanghari, Madrigal Avenue, Madrigal Business Park, Investment Avenue. So, dito tayo sa bike lane. Galing. Sorry. So, newly asphalted. Kaninang umaga lang ito na asphalto. Kanina around 5:36, between 5:30 and 6 o'clock. Close to. So, bagong asphalto. We're going to explore Madrigal Business Park. Turning right, bike lane ends. So up ahead is Alapang Zapote Road. Dito tayo sa service road. Yan, Phoenix gas station. So against the light tayo, against the sunrise. Okay, turning right again. So ito po ang Madrigal Business Park. Commercial centers, commercial buildings. Yan, may mga banks. Dito tayo sa left lane dahil mag-u-turn tayo rin sa dulo. Speed bumps. So this is Acacia Avenue. Up ahead is a gate sa Ayala Alabang. Ayala Alabang. Oo na, center. Una, oo na. Okay na din, sinagot na rin sa wakas. Oo na. Turning U-turn. So, ayan. Dapat pag when turning, whether U-turn, left turn, right turn, hindi na dapat pumipidal dahil pag pumidal, pedal strike, sad-sad yung pedal sa ground. Turning right again. Okay. So, turning right again. I think itong commercial center na ito, Madrigal Business Center, before o na-develop siya before year 2000. I think dati this is a site for Carnival Park, yung Big Bang sa Alabang. I don't know, maybe this one could be, or yung Molito. Left Shell Center. But that's a long time ago. So it's a quiet morning. Wala pang mga cars, and this is off limits to public utility vehicles. So we have some runners, joggers. Okay, we're turning left. So from finance, nasa industry street na tayo. Industry street drive. So slight climb. See if we can manage. Okay. Nalusutan natin yung speed bumps and the curb. Okay. We are 1 hour and 31 minutes into our early Sunday morning ride. According to my computer, we have covered 27.79 kilometers in that span of time. So, morning! Yan. Tignan natin ating mga kapwa bike riders. Tulong-tulong sa kinabukasan, sa ikauunlad ng bayan. Okay. So, ayan. Corner ulit tayo ng Alabang Zapote Road. Pero kakanan tayo dito sa service road. This is the service road. Sa kaliwa natin yung Alabang Zapote Road. So dito tayo mas safe. So there's an issue about removing the bike lane sa EDSA, one of the major roads in Metro Manila, underutilized daw. Okay, that's our exploration of Madrigal Business Park.